Yeah,
What
my day is going
are
good. Ma'am, I'm very curious and I'm very happy because this time I'm talking to you.
Thank you so much. I'm happy with all my viewers, all those who are connecting to me. I'm always happy. Yes, I enjoy this journey.
Yes,
Yes, so I'm happy, just like you. Don't think that I'm
yes,
not
ma'am.
happy. I'm equally happy. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Can I call you Mansi, if you don't mind?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Mansi, would you like to introduce yourself in short, just in short?
yeah, of course.
Yes.
My name is Mansi Vishwakarma. I am from MP. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. As far as my qualification, I have completed graduation, BSc Computer Science, and this time I am also learning this language. That's all about me.
Oh, that's lovely. So you are talking to me from Hyderabad.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Okay. That's lovely. That's lovely. Do you want me also to introduce?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I thought you know about me, so I should not. Okay, fine. I am Manju. Yes. And if you talk about my qualification, I have done masters, and after that I completed my bachelor of education. And from 1990 I started teaching until date. I'm teaching. Yes, so I'm a teacher, you can say. Especially English is my lovely subject. I love it. So I'm an English teacher, and currently I'm living in Lucknow, as I told you. Yes, and I'm talking to you from Lucknow. I have a very small family of 4 people: my husband, my 2 children, and me. I'm a retired person, and now I'm just taking classes online and offline. That's it.
It's
It's
great, ma'am. It's so nice. You are, and this you have been teaching for 99. You know, I was born in 97.
Oh, yes, yes. I can understand. To see you, I understood that what is your age. Yes, yes, I know. Yes, yes,
So,
that's
ma'am, do you teach English language online or offline? So,
both.
spoken English.
Spoken English also, and English language and literature also. Yes, so students come to my place to learn, and some people learn online as well. So I give them online and offline classes. After retirement I started this. Before that I was quite caught up in my school's work, so I was busy in my school, so I was not getting time to take online offline classes. But yes, after my retirement I thought of doing it, and I have started, and this journey I'm enjoying.
Ma'am, this time you are retired teacher. Oh my
Yes,
God!
I am a retired person.
But you are, but you are not looking.
That's the problem in your eyes. Actually, I am a
No,
retired
ma'am.
person, and it's been 2 years now. You, I can say, nearly 2 years, more
Yeah,
than 1.5 year.
yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am, don't mind. Some person look like old, but you are not looking. That's why I'm saying you
thank you,
are
thank
teaching
you,
this time
thank you
also.
so much. Thank you so much for your compliment, your appreciation. I love it. Everybody wants to look young. So if you say that I'm looking younger than my age, it's very good. Yes, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so. Yes, yes. Mansi, what all things did you do today since morning?
Okay, ma'am. First of all, yesterday I went IKEA mall. So today I was very exhausted. So I got very early in the morning. Then I do household work, and after before talking to you, I was eating, and I had headache problem. So that's why I was thinking that today I will attend session or not. But now I feel great.
Okay, okay. Even I'm also not that very good, because yesterday I don't know from where I caught some cold. Okay, so I am also feeling a little unwell, but still it's okay. Just before you, I had one session, and now, as yesterday also you asked for time, and then earlier also you had messaged me, so I thought let me complete this session, because so many people in queue. So I feel like those who have messaged me earlier, I should
Yes,
finish
yes.
that conversation first.
Yes, yes. But
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
this time there is no cold here,
Okay.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, actually, it's a very good. I know it because my brother lives there. So every winter, my father used to go there because in north it's very cold. It's very cold, and there it's bearable, so it's good.
Yes,
And it's not cold, but
yes,
still you are wearing some jacket, so it means something. Some cold is there, but not like us here. So we have
yes.
so
Not
many
too much.
layers, and in spite of that we are shivering like anything.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I have been living here for 3 years, but only this year I feel little bit cold. Not too much.
yes, yes, yes. So that's good. Hyderabad has a moderate kind of climate, so it's good. Yes, very nice.
Yes, yes.
So what else do you do? Means in spite of this, instead of this YouTube work, anything else do you do?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. This time I'm learning English, so I have YouTube channel. So I am running YouTube channel. Why,
What's
ma'am?
the
You
channel's
know,
name, Mansi?
my YouTube channel name is English में जिद्दी.
English में Ziddi. Oh yes, now I remember. When you messaged me, I had this question in my mind that whenever I'll connect to this girl, I'll certainly ask, why did you keep this name? Why English में Ziddi? Why not something else? What was there in your
Okay.
mind to keep your channel's name English में Ziddi?
Okay, okay, ma'am, because I am from MP. Okay, but this time I am living in Hyderabad. So here person speak Telugu language and English language, but I know only Hindi language. So one day I went to my husband friend wife Hussain Sagar Lake and Birla Mandir. That time she was talking only Telugu language and English language, but I know only Hindi language. So when I used to talk Hindi language, then my husband was translate. That time I was feel very bothered. I feel anxiety. So that day I decided whatever happened, I have to learn this language. So, but how can I learn English? I don't have any partner this time. I am living alone. So one day I decided if I will upload video on YouTube channel, so it's good for me. So that's why I decided my YouTube channel name is English में जिद्दी.
You are Ziddi to learn this language, I suppose. That's the reason you have
Yes,
kept this name. Yes,
yes,
you have
yes,
decided.
yes,
So certainly you will learn this language. Yes, you are working
yes,
upon it. It's a skill. It's just a language. It's nothing very special. Yes, so you will learn. As you are fluent in Hindi, gradually you will become fluent in English as well, because you are approaching
yes,
different people, connecting to different people. Maybe with the time, with the many conversations once you take, then you will learn many things. Yes, and you must
yes,
be
yes,
finding it that you are a bit more confident now. Do you think that there is
yes,
some change in you?
yes, 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 ma'am. And ma'am,
Yeah.
okay, ma'am, I was able to speak English within 2 months, but not fluent. Yeah, because I have started my English journey from zero level.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So you
Yeah,
are a
so
Hindi medium student?
yeah, yeah, I am Hindi medium student.
Fine, fine. So
Yeah,
I really appreciate your courage that you started learning this language, and you are able to communicate, you are able to throw your ideas and thoughts. That's very good, and that's how people learn. That's how people learn. Any problem, any doubt, whenever some challenge comes in front of us, then only we feel like, oh my
yes,
God, I'm not able to speak English. This is really very ashamed, no, shameful for me. So that time we decide, let us learn this language. Yes, after all, it's a
yes,
language.
yeah. Yeah, ma'am, when I started learn this language, that time what was problem? I have started my English journey, but I used to speak only Hindi language, not English language. So sometime my husband is called me. This time you are learning English, so you should speak English. If you will not speak English, so how can you able to speak English? So sometime he is called me, so I decided he is speak right. Definitely, I should speak English. And but this time I feel comfortable, ma'am. That time I was thinking that my English is not good. If I will speak English, so definitely, what will he said my husband about me? So that's why I was speaking only Hindi language, not English language.
Yes. Now, do you talk to your husband in English?
Yes, yes, I talk.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't have.
Okay, okay. So you and your husband, two of you are living in Hyderabad, or somebody else is there in the family?
No, 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 no.
You and your
Me
husband.
and my husband and my family is living MP.
Okay, okay. They are living in MP. So how often do you come to MP to visit your village or your city?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I will go holy time.
Okay, in March you will be going there. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yes.
Do you like MP more or Hyderabad?
I
Which
like
city do you
MP
like?
more because, ma'am, I like MP more because there is living my family, so that's why mostly I like MP.
Ah, yes, yes.
But ma'am, when
Actually,
I go, but here when I go new place, so that time I feel great. I am watching new place.
yes, yes, yes. It's always interesting to visit new places and to know about those places, to know the culture of that place, to know the people of that place, dresses of that place. So many things we learn when we go visit different places. So that's wonderful.
Yes,
Okay, Mansi.
yes.
Anything you want to ask, something special from me, being connecting to me? You must have thought, if I'll meet Manju ma'am, I'll ask this, I'll ask that. If you have
Yeah.
to ask
So,
anything,
ma'am,
please ask.
yeah, ma'am, you are a grammar teacher. So, can you talk about what is difference get and make use?
Pardon? Difference between? What did you
Hello.
ask? Please repeat your question.
Okay, okay. What is difference get use and make use?
Can use and make use.
What is difference? Yeah, make use and get use.
Get use and make use. Yes? Okay,
Yes,
okay. Do
yes,
you know about it? A little, a little
yes.
do you know
Yeah,
about it? Yes, please tell
yeah.
me
Make
first, and
use.
if you will be wrong, then I'll correct you.
Okay. मैंने मम्मी मेरे से खाना बनवाती है. My mother make food.
Make me cook
It's
food.
make use. Make me
Yeah,
cook
my
food. It's
mother makes
make
me,
use.
you will say,
Cook
my
food.
mother makes me cook food. Yes?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, very
yeah.
good. Yeah. Next.
नेक्स्ट
And
वह मेरे से बर्तन धुलवाती है. She makes me wash dishes.
yes, yes, yes. Another
Yeah.
word was get, I think. What was the other word?
Okay. वह मेरे से बर्तन धुलवा रही है. She
Yeah.
making me wash dishes.
She is making me
Wash
to
dishes.
wash. Okay, okay,
Yo. Okay.
okay,
So,
okay.
ma'am, I have confusion. Get use. So, can you talk about the get use? फॉर एग्जाम्पल फैन रिपेयर कराए जाते हैं.
Fans are being repaired. That's how we say. Or I got my fan repaired. मैंने अपना पंखा रिपेयर करवाया. I got my fan repaired means this work I did not do myself. I got the work done from somebody else's
An-
because I'm not a mechanic. I cannot control electrical gadgets. Yes. So I made somebody else's to get the fan, whatever problem was there, that is to be solved. Yes, so I got my fan repaired. That's how you will
okay,
say. Yes,
okay,
understood. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Ma'am, but we can say when we, for example, can I speak Hindi language?
Please, please, please.
Can I speak? Yeah. क्या मतलब दिस टाइप से वी कैन से जब काम किसी अनदर पर्सन के द्वारा करवाया जाता है, उसके लिए गेट का यूज करते हैं।
गेट भी करते हैं और मेक भी करते हैं, ठीक है। आई मेक
फिर
माई चिल्ड्रन डू द वर्क, मीन्स मैंने अपने बच्चों से काम करवाया। आई मेक माई चिल्ड्रन डू द वर्क, आई मेक माई लर्नर्स लर्न द ईडियम्स, ठीक है। तो मैं
यस,
अपने लर्नर से ईडियम याद करवाती हूँ। यस, दैट्स हाउ वी
यस,
यूज
यस।
मेक, मीन्स व्हेन वी
मैम,
आर नॉट
some
डूइंग
person
ourselves,
say,
we are getting the work
I
done
one day
from
I
somebody
was
else.
video and that person was saying, if you are आप किसी से कोई भी काम फ्री में करवाते हैं तो उसके लिए मेक का यूज करते हैं, और किसी से पैसे दे के करवाते हैं तो गेट का यूज करते हैं। तो मैम, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना कि मैं जो आपसे काम करवा रही हूँ आप उसको फ्री में भी कर दो, तो मेक का भी
हाँ,
यूज
लेकिन
कर सकते हैं।
but usually this happens that certain things when we get it done, we pay for it. If plumber will come to your house, will not do it free of cost. You will have to pay. But if by the way plumber is your relative and he comes and does for you free of cost, that's a different thing. That's a different thing. But
Yes,
usually what is acceptable? This is acceptable that any mechanic comes to your house, does your household uh, uh, any work, okay? It means you are bound to pay something, isn't it?
yeah,
Yes,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
So
yes, yes,
that's the thing, that's the thing.
yeah,
Good
yeah. So
Mansi,
that
very good
time we
questions,
can
Mansi.
get,
You are little
yeah.
not feeble, your voice is coming very low at times. I'm not able to hear you, I don't know why.
Now okay? Why I don't know say.
It's the same actually. I'm not able to hear you very clearly, but somehow
So
to
ma'am,
see your lips move. Yeah.
so I will. Are you using headphone anything?
No, I'm not using anything because I'm alone in my house, so nobody is here to disturb me. So I'm not using earphone, nothing. I had a
So
session and I
maybe,
was able to hear very clearly. Maybe some internet issue or something like that. Okay, Mansi, we can
yeah.
connect some other day because I
Okay,
have another
okay,
session right now, right at 1 I had, so
okay,
it's 1, 2. So we can connect
okay,
some
ma'am.
more day. Okay, Mansi, nice
Okay,
to
okay.
connect with you. Lovely questions you threw and I was enjoying
Thank you,
answering them.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.